What's up, everyone? I'm Boosted.
I'm Rowdy.
And this is Boosted and Rowdy. What you doing today?
Gonna cut the bump stops off and get the rubber bushing out to the factory leaf spring shackle. I don't know.
You seem very enthused.
I'm not.
Oh. That's stuff.
Yeah, it is.
Bump stop is off. Trying to get that out. It's pouring rain out. Did not know it was supposed to rain today.
It's not a bit.
Oh my god.
And my good ones too. Okay.
Went inside, the dog was not happy. But to be fair, the thunder has not stopped rumbling since it started raining. Wow. I mean, that works too.
Maybe. Not really. It's gonna be off the fucking side here.
What the fuck?
I gotta work this tight already.
Did not take you long.
Huh?
Did not take you long. What you doing?
Taking a round piece of tube and go right from here to here.
Yeah. Die, Dad.
Say nah, I don't know.
You can't eat the camera. It's not food.
So I cut this brace up. And what I'm thinking is doing something like this. So I like to brace the back end of this the frame real quick.
Yeah.
You just not lick everything that's in front of you.
She likes to lick your sweat.
She was just licking the pipe.
Oh, she likes to lick things.
I know.
What does it taste like?
The frame is pretty situated. I mean, I cut the center brace out right here, but I technically replaced it with this. But I'd like to stiffen this shock mount a little bit. So what I might do is take a piece of 2-inch chromoly pipe, weld it right here, straight across. I took this piece out, and I don't know if I'm gonna cut it like this, join it together.
Oh, yeah.
The problem with that is the bed. I don't know if the bed's gonna hit. I don't think it will, but I might just go like this instead. Basically, not. Go like this. And join it together. Could go right here if I really wanted to, but
yeah.
I think I'll probably go right back here in the back of the strip and then back on.
Can you stop licking that?
It also just look pretty cool. Add some more strength to it.
Yeah.
And it looked pretty badass. So, gotta get some pipe. But I cut that center brace out. And that's all that for now.
Okay. Senna? Do the end clip. Cut to next scene. Boop. Alright, on that note, I'm actually closing out the video. I was going to record some more of Brennan working in the garage, but it has been a solid 95 degrees out here and humid as crap. So the garage has been kind of unbearable because we don't have a mini split in it. And even just trying to push the house air into the garage, it doesn't quite do what it needs to do to be tolerable. Even though we have the garage doors insulated, the windows are tinted, like, it's better than most garages, but it still gets so unbearably hot and humid in here that it's hard for Brendan to do any work. As you can see, he's been doing a lot of minor things, but nothing to really note on. He picked up some metal pieces yesterday so that he could do a little bit more with what he's trying to situate back here. If you guys want the technical terms, that was it. I don't want to make a long video as to not bore you guys. And I'm trying to put out a video every week on Friday to keep consistency up with YouTube. So this week's was kind of short. A lot more time lapses than usual, not a lot of amazing things to go over, but next week's video is going to be very interesting. I'm not going to give you guys any clues, but you're going to want to tune in, so make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And if you're subscribed, I'll give you a little insight into what is going on next week, but it's definitely going to be a pretty cool video, out of the garage, different video. But don't forget to say if there's any videos that you guys want to see on the channel, please let us know. So you guys are going to want to stay tuned. Also, no one's guessed what is going in the Syclone for an engine. So if you have any guesses, drop them in the comments below and let us know what you think we're going to put in the Syclone. See you next week.